So welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on these really cute elephant little rattles. And so you need our elephant stickers, rattles, rhinestone, the little pin, a glitter cardstock cutout, and pink satin. Okay, so I have my cardstock. You could always just stick on the sticker onto here and just have it like that. But I like to add a little cardstock, stick it on there, and then take our little rattle, add glue all over it. And stick it on there. And you could always leave it just like this, but I wanted to add a ribbon, so I'm going to cut out 2 pieces. To make a bow. So I'm going to grab the smaller piece, fold it right sides together, and then the inside I'm going to thread the needle just like that, and then I'm going to take the longer piece, fold it in half to mark the middle, open it up, put the ends together, and gather that with the needle. And then you're going to pull that and turn and you have your little bow. And so